What up, YouTube? It's your boy Dan the Man 69 here. I'm with my got a collab this time with.
What up? It's your boy Reed fucking Smokes.
What's up, everybody? Here we are at the, is it Gila or Gila? Or Gila? Gila National Park. Garrett, say hi.
What's going on, guys?
A tree. More trees. Alright, Alex, what's your outlook on the trip?
So far it's good. We've been hiking for about 30 minutes and we're already lost, so.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's great.
That was nice, excellent. Harper, penny for your thoughts?
No further comments.
No further comments. Reed? I gotta say, Santa Fe, shit, not even Santa Fe. New Mexico gets a yes. Yes, I vote yes. I vote yes for New Mexico. Care to update the vlog with the current events of our society?
Well, up to this point, we've established three things. One, we're in an anarchy, and anarchy societies definitely function better than any other type of societies.
Absolutely. Proven fact.
Proven fact. Two, the reason why we had trouble earlier on is because when we got to our first question, we treated it like a democracy instead of an anarchy.
Yeah.
The only person that took it like an anarchy was Harper. Who took his own way, found cave dwellings, and then got us back to the road.
All hail President Harper.
Harper understands, but if he's not president because it's an anarchy, which is number three.
Anarchist commune.
You're right. Oh, commune. I like that. We're definitely adding that tag to the mobile commune. Yeah.
Right, let me hit my third last point though.
Yeah,
third last point. Harper would definitely be president if it weren't an anarchy. What year was it when that tree was as tall as we?
19. I don't know. Cut it down and count the rings.
Pick a year and then give me a score.
Well, as they say in Armenia.
Let's get it.
Thoughts? Well,
Thoughts?
I think shit's going pretty well so far. We back on the trail. We did a good river crossing. Got nice and wet. Here we are back on the trail, looking good.
Yeah. So I forgot my stick on the other side, so I had to run back and get it. And now my foot's wet. But yeah, look at these trees. Big boys. Okay, day one, 5:30. This is our last water crossing of the day, so I think we're gonna set up our camp. What's your vlogging persona?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Tram.
Oh, wow, I love it. So professional. Yeah, I'm gonna expect you to pull that out every time I have my camera running. Anyways, nice little view, if I do say so. It's a pretty weird rock up here that's just kind of hanging over the edge. I don't understand it.
Incredible, man.
But yeah, day one. It's day one, 7:17. Reed, tell us what you're doing.
Roasted a fucking sock.
And who did you get that idea from?
Got it from Candidate Shown.
Candidate Shown. Yes, and does it work well?
You know, it works pretty well. It gets a little toasty. You can see some of the scuff marks, but you know, by and large, small price to pay for dry socks.
I'm just realizing how burnt I am. It's pretty bad.
Hiked for like 3 hours.
Thoughts, Gray?
My name is Gray Lloyd. I don't approve of this message.
Well, no one asked you. Tram?
Seconded.
Oh. What do you think? Yeah, that's a thumbs up. Okay, we got 3 yes, 2 no. Garrett,
Yeah, but mine counts as 2 votes.
you are the arm of justice. Okay, we're voting on the sock thing. What do you think? Yes or no?
What do I think?
Yes or no?
Is it crispy?
How's it taste?
I don't know. It's working fine though.
That's a yes
No,
vote?
though.
Taste is
Alright, we
a
got
little lacking. Could you use a little
4
seasoning?
no's to 3 yeses.
I didn't say no.
Oh, wait, what? You just counted Harper. You just voted for
No,
Harper.
I-
Committing voter fraud.
Oh, you're right. Okay, you
Also,
are an
Harper's
undecided, right?
I'm a yes.
You're a yes.
Wait,
Okay, we got
Oh.
3v4. So Harper
Harper's
can save our cause.
That was the important. That's the same.
I think so. I think it's just like the fire.
Sorry.
It might also be a little bit mental.
What?
You know, a little bit
Yo.
mental.
What do you think of the fire?
The fire is life. Like,
fire
let
is
me just tell
life.
you something about something
Whoa.
about fire. You sit around the
Yeah.
fire, and
You know what?
you look in front of you, and there's fire.